folks, welcome back to another video. Speaking a bit quiet today because it's like just gone 5 in the morning, but back out with another trip in the wagon today. Where we're going? We're going to Skegness SANDS. It's located. It's actually a campsite. It's my first campsite, so I'm gonna have a chance to get my awning out. I might make a video on that. That should be a bit of a laugh. I've not took it out yet. I don't even know if it works. In fact, I did actually bring it out about a couple of feet just to make sure just to get the wind out feature working. But Skegness SANDS. What I'm doing is I'm taking my mum for a couple of nights away. I'm not going out with the wife or my Gabriella. It's just going to be me and my mum going away for a couple of days. My wife's here staying at home. She's got her mother around, and it's nothing to do with that. Nothing to do with got the mother-in-law staying around for a few days. But let's go. I've done all my checks, my engine checks, my tyre checks, and everything like that. So yeah, let's go and pick my mum up, shall we? I'll see you when we've got my mum picked up. So yeah, shh, don't want to wake the neighbours up. See you later. Right, so here we are. Just picked my ma up, off to Skegness. So don't know anything about this site. I know it's called Skegness SANDS. I think it's located in between Skegness and Inglemills. So
mist,
yeah, it's just the mist around.
It's going to be hot, isn't it?
Arrived at the campsite, but obviously just behind me there, look, can't go in just yet till midday. Yeah, it's about 8 o'clock now. Took about 2 hours to get here, so weren't a bad drive. Just get here nice early. It's parked on just outside, so there's plenty of parking spaces outside, so that's not too bad. I was a bit worried about where to park it until we could get in at midday. But yeah, can't check in till midday, so we've got a few hours to muck around really. So we're just going to check out around the area. We'll come back when we've checked it in. I'll give you a bit of a tour around the campsite. So don't know what to expect myself, so we'll see how it is. It might be alright, hopefully it is. But yeah, see you in a bit. Yeah, it's nearly 12 o'clock, so it'll be time for checking in soon at the Skegness SANDS campsite. Yeah, it's like it's nearly 12 o'clock, so yeah, I just wanted to tell you about this little park up. Obviously you can't stop here overnight, but if you get here early enough you can stop it. It's just there's no charging, it's free, but it's quite, like I say, it's quite filled up quite fast. So I mean, it's not quite 12 o'clock now, but if you get here early enough you can park here all day for free. So if you wanted to do off-grid, also there's some public toilets up there. Now they are free. They have got like a little turntable what you go through, but it's free at the moment. So obviously they can put a charge on it at certain times of the year, I guess, but because we thought there was a charge on it, but it wasn't. So just at that building at the top there, that's where the public toilets are, and beach is just there, just up the road. And I can't remember what the road's called now. I forget what the road's called, but it's where the Skegness SANDS touring site is, the entrance for the touring site. So yeah, if you need a quick park up all day, obviously you can't overnight park here, that's just the rules. So it's free, there's no charge, and then later on at night just go round find yourself somewhere to kip overnight, late at night. You know what they say, get in there late, early depart and all that. So yeah, let's go and check in, shall we? So I think it's about time now. So right, so let's check into this campsite. In. Just gonna have a quick tour of the what's it called? Campsite. That's it. Oh, just to let you know, we've got a hard standing pitch, and if you come there with an awning, just make sure you bring some thick pegs. Bring some thick pegs, because I've got some ones what came with the awning, and yeah, luckily I had some thick ones anyway, but because it's quite hard to hammer in, and if you notice, I hammered my thumb with the rubber hammer. And yeah, let's have a quick look around here. So what we've got around here, I'll flick it round. Yeah, a little bit. Anyway, we've got, hang on, so you've got a hair salon. Obviously we're parked there, see our little roller team there, look, bang bang. Hair salon if you want your hair doing. Away up. We've got a laundry here, look. Let's have a quick look. I think it's
7 o'clock.
So you've got your laundry room in here, and I suppose this is to do you can do your dishes in there if you want to bring your dishes in. Also, obviously you can do that. You've got laundry and a dryer.
And bathing sink.
Yeah, that's right, isn't it? So this locks, obviously, I don't know really. You've got a key? Do you think them keys fit what we had? I don't know, maybe not.
It says it's locked at 7 o'clock, it says.
You've got your utilities there for your water. So you've got your water there, look, over there. Let's go around the other side. Take it around the other side. This is the main entrance where you come in through. Is it Winthorpe? I think it's Winthorpe Avenue. So you come in there. Obviously you've got at the end of this building, you've got your check-in, your reception.
The gate is up there.
Yeah, well, we'll go up there in a bit. We'll go up there. We're just having a look round here. What we've got round here. So yeah, there's your. I think that's your hair salon. So we're going to get your hair done, ma'am.
No, thanks.
All right. I don't think I'll bother either. I ain't got much left, so So you've got a baby toddler washroom. Obviously you're given a key.
Family shower room.
Yeah, family shower room. Oh, this is like where you do your dishes. It's got your... Yeah, you can put... Yeah, you can bring your dishes in here, look, and do your washing up if you want to. Yeah, so don't bring your nappies in here. So you've got your toilets in here. So come into the... This is the Genus, by the way, so just check out the toilets. So nice clean toilets. Some basin there for having a shave points. Nice walk-in showers. Obviously got your disabled facilities as well. Your urinals. Me. There you go, guys. I think we've even got a hair dryer there. Cool. So yeah, this is the gent. So assuming the ladies is similar. Very clean. That's the gent. Facilities at the toilet and shower facilities at Skegness SANDS. You're going to go in there. So that's where you empty your chemical.
Yeah.
So your grey water goes in here, but we can't do that because ours is fixed in the middle. So top your water up, drinking water.
Well, I can top Jake's bottles.
Yeah.
There.
I won't be able to. I ain't got one of them sockets. I've only got a. So luckily we're filled up with what's it, won't we?
Won't use much, will it?
No, we'll be all right.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
You do have to use the key.
Yeah. So you got a key for your toilets, but obviously you put a £10 deposit at your reception when you check in.
Dog park.
Oh yeah, you can hook them up.
Why are you going for a pee?
Well, you can just hook them up and leave them here all day, can't you?
Oh,
I guess you can do. Got some grass pitches over there, plenty of hard pitches. Yeah, just beware if you're coming round. Yeah. What's that stuff? That's the service point. So here's your service point. You've got drinking water, you've got water for your grey waste and that. And obviously you've got your pit here to empty your grey waste. That's as you come in the gate. So there we go. We're going to go at, oh, yeah, watch the speed bumps. Don't trip over them. So yeah, this is just walking up to the gate towards the beach, but from the service point, just hang on. Whoop, there we go. There's me. That's better. So just walking up down here.
That's a nice one.
Oh yeah. Nice big one there, look. So these are your grass ones, isn't there?
Oh,
See,
yeah.
these are better, aren't they?
Yeah, so you can get grass ones.
Yeah.
You have to request if you come to Kerry.
Yeah, I might have a grass one next time. We've got some statics up here as well. So some more drinking water point there, look. So obviously the gates, is it up here, you said? So this is, right, yeah, I see.
Oh, it's down that alleyway.
Yeah.
Yeah, I went right up the other end, I did.
So we've got a...
So we're going out again.
Yeah, we'll go out the gate now, give it a try. So this is a gate onto the beach. It's locked at all times. Obviously you're given a key. You've got to give in a toilet key and a gate key. So don't lose them, because you give a £10 deposit in you, and you won't be able to get back in either. Go on then. Do you want me to tell Jake you sort the key out? There we go. Go on then, ma. Open the gate. You have to push it in. Push key all the way in before turning key. That's it. That's it.
Turn it that way.
Yeah. It's getting a bit blowy. I might have to put my thingy mic on, I reckon.
Yeah, I'm glad I put
Is it just shut?
shorts.
There we go. There we go. We've got the mic turned on. So there you go, guys. That's a little tour of the campsite. I saw you get the picture. Yeah, if you like it, it's not too bad price. Right by the beach. So there we go. Out that gate and you're on the beach. Brilliant. So yeah, leave us a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video very soon.